How's it going, everyone? We're gonna go over SunPower Corp. This one has lots of volume, so it's nice to go over something like this. And this is just a perfect example of ATR forward touch, lower band, straight up to EMA 5. You'll get this a lot, and I see this with Max N. As you can see, anybody that's watching Max N, it was the same thing scenario here. You had this big drop. Guess what happened? You hit the ATR 4, touch right here, and what happened? EMA 5 touch. What a beautiful thing. Same thing with SPWR. You had the same drop here. Second day, kind of accumulated some more at the ATR 4. And then you go back up here and touch the EMA 5. So it's makes me wonder, okay, this is very interesting, right? And a lot of people probably bought on the first move down, had a 40% move down, but then it wasn't touching the ATR4, didn't have, much time distance. Not really anything I really liked. I wouldn't have really played this, but it's just very, very curious on what we saw here. You have a little bit of trend channel here, since we have some, obviously we're in a downtrend. You hit the bottom channel here, come back up for, could have hit the bottom again, but it decided to hit right at the EMA 5. And this is the power of ATR4 and using an EMA 5 as a target. That's all you need to do. Algos know where to take it. We took it to the EMA 5, and I'm not surprised we could have we rejected here. It's very risky to hit an EMA 10 target. Very risky. Usually you hit the EMA 5 and then you reject. I see it all the time. So if you had not touched the EMA 5 after a big drop, expect EMA 5 touch, dead cat bounce, and then reject. And that's really what we're getting here. So, I mean, it went up 5% and then 30% on the close. It went up higher on the high of the day. So do keep that in mind. If we do the math, 50 cents all the way up to $1.23, you're over 100% return there, guys. That's awesome, guys. So anybody that played SPWR, this is how we find the strategy. This is how we play the plays. When price gets close to the ATR4, you can see we respect it very well, and we go back up. And it works very well with stocks that have repeatedly respected it. When we hit the upper band, we sell off, and it's the same vice versa. And this thing is known to be good at spiking. So if you look at the history and you see, okay, this thing has been really good at spiking. It can't, it respects everything about this system. It can't respect the ATR4 on the upper band. It goes back to the EMA 5, and you see right here you have these pumps, and it goes back down. So yeah, it's very nice to see. Would I be looking for an entry? I definitely need more time distance. I need to see an ATR4 and all that. I just want to do a recap on this. This strategy does work, guys. The more you see, I try to find the most highest value setups for my Discord members. Anybody that wants this strategy, it's in the Discord. I have an education setup video. Everything you need to know and all to make you guys highly profitable. So, yeah, not really much to say here. It hit its recent target. Obviously, we're going to hit the EMA 10 and 20, but I do think that's going to take some time. Remember, all EMAs have to get hit. Or not all. I mean, EMA 5, 10, and 20 has to get hit in a very reasonable time. The EMA 5 usually gets hit within 5 daily candles. EMA 10 usually gets hit within 1 month. That's very long. EMA 20, 2 months is long. We like to look for EMA 5 touches because when you have the down move, it's going to reject here. And I've seen a lot of the times where, you hit the EMA 5 and reject. Same thing with Max N. You had this big move down here. You hit the EMA 5, reject. EMA 5, reject, 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 and then eventually you'll go to the 10 and then the 20. And that's kind of what we see here for SPWR. Expect some more momentum down or sideways action like Max N, and we'll go from there, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, you guys are always welcome to see a strategy that works. It's one of the best. I'm so happy to have it, and I'm so happy that a lot of people are doing this strategy. It's like 5,000 members are in here. A lot of them are in the premium Discord. They're in the alerts. They get entries and exits. But a lot of them have shown me this stock. And they said, oh, I think this is a great system, reversal to the EMA 5. And bam, it's done it. We don't know that exact timing, but we do know it's a lot safer to buy it on these candles than right on this candle. It goes down 40%. Doesn't even faze me. I don't have to get it. Now, if it goes to the system, yes, I'll get it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the description. It'll be pinned. Join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to the free chat landing page. All you have to do is head on over to Server Shop, and I offer 2 services. only $6 or $12 a month. Very affordable compared to what others charge. And this service has an over 95% win ratio with proof, because I give you guys my entries and exits. So if you follow along, I guarantee you will be profitable as long as you follow my accumulation rules and how to exactly do it. The Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you the most value for $12 a month, and you have access to all my alerts to the left side, and will unlock all the channels. The day trades have been absolute fire, and it's awesome. Like, I'm looking to make about 30% a day, and as you can see, that compounds so fast. Swing trading's a little more slower. You accumulate the dips and you sell the rips. So hope you guys do try it out. I promise you guys we're gonna love it. It's gonna look like this: day trade education. You're gonna know exactly why I take my trades. The day trade alerts. We took one today, made over 20% on a live stream. Right in here, I did the live stream showing you guys what I was looking for, any questions and all that, and day trade chat and all this. Guys, you guys are going to love this. This is a recap on SPWR. Congratulations to everyone that bought the bottom. If you guys are still holding, be careful. It hit the EMA5. The algos did what they needed to do. Oftentimes we see rejections, and that's what we did. You know, you're not going to see this. Why is it to a T the algos hit this thing and goes down? It's not a coincidence, guys. This is how stocks move. They move in ways. It hits the EMA5, reject. And we hit the EMA5, reject. Then we go to the next tier here, the EMA 10 and 20. Those are my longer term targets. I'll put this on watch for next week. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Join the premium Discord, and I promise you guys will be profitable. And I'll see you in the next video.